He sucks in more than one way.
Boo!
Who is it?
Who?
Hello? Who's this? Oh, what's up, man? Not much. Mark, it's my ghetto neighbor.
Oh. Hi. Hi, hi. I was gonna call him Mark. No, hi, Kenny's ghetto neighbor.
Everybody says hi.
Come on,
Do it.
Do something.
Do it.
You said it's crack like him.
Do something.
What do you want to say?
Can you do that away from us? Because I don't trust you.
You're boring.
Go back over the ramp. I want to see you crash and fall.
Yeah.
Huh?
How old is he?
13. How old are you?
19.
You're 19, aren't you? He said, yeah, somewhere around there.